guys, it's Ralph again. Right, the minute it's Saturday afternoon, probably not when I upload this, or when you see this, could be sometime next year. But Saturday afternoon, a bit bored, I'm going to do a project, or I'm going to break something in the process anyway. Right, I bought a fan the other day. Done, USB plug, powers in, fan, sucks in, blows out. Or blows out. What? Yeah. It's alright, it's not bad, but it could do with being a bit more powerful. So what I'm going to do is see if I can strip out these motors inside here, as you can't see, and yeah, put something better in. Make this better so when the summer finally arrives, this thing's useful. At the minute, it's not, because it's too bloody cold. So let's see if I can find some parts to put in. Yay! Now I have a stack of fans I could use, literally. I have a stack of fans. That one's from a CPU, there's a Corsair that lights up blue, same again. There's a one Corsair that doesn't light up anything, but these ones on my own system anyway, because I have this little ring that comes off. Doesn't come in this colour, I sprayed it to make it look baby blue for no reason. Crap one that lights up blue, LEDs, same again, and a red one. If any of these will fit in, to be honest, there's only 3 blades on each one of these. If anything can fit in, then I might get a better fan, to be honest. But stay tuned, we'll see what we can do. Right, prise off this front cover. First problem is none of the 120s are going to fit, so kind of scuppered that. These are doing really good in there, the good heavy duty fans, but they're too big. So that leaves, back in my box of goodies, the only one that'll fit is one from the CPU. I don't think I've got another. Or do I just change, keep the motor and just change the fan? Yeah, why not? It's not very professional using a screwdriver like that, so let's use a smaller one. Pop these off there. Okay, let's try something else. I'm not bothered about this. These can go up itself. Not bothered. Some of these come out easier than the others. It's only an old stock fan that I've had for quite a while. Oh god, that will probably break this. Pulling this out. That'll fit alright. Oh. 1-0 to the fan. Careful really isn't my middle name lately, is it? Well, that didn't work. Bye.